YouTube creators, we need to talk. Because if you thought getting 4,000 watch hours was already difficult, YouTube has just announced a change that could completely change the game for new creators. The target is going from 4,000 to 8,000 watch hours. But here's the part most people are going to miss. This does not affect everyone. So before you start panicking, let me explain exactly what YouTube just announced. YouTube has announced that it's updating the terms for the YouTube Partner Program, and creators need to review and accept the new terms in YouTube Studio by January 31st, 2027. Starting February 1st, 2027, YouTube says new creators will need 8,000 watch hours in the last 365 days, or 20 million qualified shorts views in the last 90 days to be eligible for ad and YouTube Premium revenue sharing. So yes, the traditional 4,000 watch hour target is effectively doubling for new creators who haven't yet reached that level of YPP eligibility. If you're already in the YouTube Partner Program and you're already monetizing through ads and premium, YouTube says this change does not affect you. So this isn't YouTube suddenly taking monetization away from existing monetized creators. The change is particularly important for people who are currently working toward qualifying. And there's another major change coming for shorts creators. YouTube says that starting February 1st, 2027, creators will need to maintain 10 million qualified shorts views over the previous 90 days to earn each month from the shorts creator pool. However, YouTube also says creators who fall below that 10 million mark will have access to new targeted incentive programs, including things like YouTube shopping bonuses, incentives for brand deals, and other earning opportunities. YouTube says more details about those programs and their criteria will be coming later. So what does this mean for you? If you're already close to monetization, don't panic, but don't procrastinate either. If you've been sitting there thinking, I'll start working seriously on my YouTube channel later, this is your sign to start now. Focus on content that generates genuine watch time, long-form videos, tutorials, live streams, and content that people actually want to watch all the way through. And don't forget, if you're already in YPP, go into YouTube Studio and make sure you review and accept the updated terms before January 31st, 2027. And honestly, this update hits me personally because I'm currently working towards my own YouTube monetization goal. I am currently almost 3,000 watch hours. If you're on the same journey, make sure you're following because we're going to figure this out together. And tell me in the comments, how many watch hours are you currently on? I want to see how many of us are working toward that goal.